guys. Today we're gonna have fun and play. Sophia, come on. Come on. Come on. Now we have to put down. We have to take off all of this stuff. Oh, what is this? Okay, we're gonna... It's okay, I can help you. Wash your hands. Whoa! Come on. That's weird. We have to take it off this sticker. No. We have to take off. We have to. Let's. Okay. Ooh. Wow. No way. I want to look. Ooh, I broke. Okay. Let's go. Oh no, we have to. Yeah. Okay. Let's take off of. Yeah. No. Just take off this then another. These are the color. Okay, these are for the kitchen, okay? This is for the kitchen. Okay, this is for the kitchen too. It's ooh, marshmallow! Oh, what is... That's cute! This stuff is really cool. Should put this in the kitchen, like that. Ooh, a phone. You can call somebody. No, that's not water. That's camping. We can sleep in that. She left for you. What are you doing? You're silly. What is this for? Okay. What is this for? Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, let's. Okay. No, but I'm. Okay, where should I put this? Maybe this. You should put like that, maybe. Okay, let's put all of this ones like that. Ooh, you can close it. That's nice. Hey! How should we put it? Oh no, dear. Jag tyckte att man ska success att. Why? That it's broke. Why is it broken? There you go. Okay, how should we put it? How should we put it? What's the value? Just put this right here. This sticker. Okay, wait, I need to see something. Yeah, but I have to put this in here. The sticker. Okay. Okay, more sticker. Okay, can I have one sticker, please? Yeah. That's good. No, I want a different one. I wanted the red one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, don't close it, please. They're pretty fishy. They're just and wait. Okay. Something missing. I'm so hungry. Okay, and then we're gonna do brushing teeth and then go back. Okay. Can I have some juice? Ew, sure. Yes, you can. Okay. A juice. Okay, let me get That's great. Okay, I want that. Oh, wait, I forgot something. I need a spoon. Oh, this one is left. Okay, wait, I need a spoon, please. Okay, wait. Get off my dress and then let's go back into and sleep. I wanted to buy my princess Cinderella. Yava. Okay, this is sticky dirty. This is dirty. We will wear some pajama. Okay, this is a pajama. Okay, now we want to no. Oh, it's okay. I can hold it for you. It's okay. My feet. Oh, yes, dried yet. Ow!